Travel effortlessly with dual voltage compatibility. No converter needed. Compact design. Weighs only 0.88 subs. Perfect for your suitcase. 4-in-1 styling tool. Dry, straighten, curl, and volumize with ease. Adjustable heat and speed settings for personalized styling control. Nano titanium barrel ensures smooth, shiny, and frizz-free hair. Includes EU and UK plugs for global styling convenience. Vibrant storage bag adds fun and flair to your travel gear. Ideal gift for holidays, Women's Day, Mother's Day, and more. Free exchange within 12 months. Full refund within 30 days. Don't miss out. Grab your versatile hairstyling tool today.